Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a room decor for your room. So let's see what we're going to need. So what we're going to need is a glass jar that has a lid. I lost the lid for this jar, so I'm just using cardboard for the lid. And you're gonna need some decorations, which is optional. You can use any kind of decorations you want. I'm using cardboard. And you need a glue gun or any glue that has a good grip. And also you're going to need something to put in the middle. I'm using this piece of cardboard that says love. And also I actually made this. You can use pictures, statues, action figures, whatever you like. And you will also need a pencil, which is optional, to color or decorate. You can also use colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything. So now that we know what we need, let's get into what we're gonna do. So the first thing you need to do is decorate the base, which is the lid. So I'm just gonna decorate this white piece of paper. Okay, so now I'm done decorating the lid or the base, and I marked where I want to keep the picture in the middle. So now, obviously, you have to glue the thing on there. So I'm just going to take my glue gun and use the glue gun. I'm going to glue it on the edge of the cardboard. Just like that. And that edge too. And if you're below 8 years old, ask a parent or an older sibling to help you with the glue gun, because glue guns can be very dangerous. Just for your safety. So here is how it looks like. And now we're gonna have to go to gluing the thing on. You don't have to glue it on because you're gonna use a lid anyway. Like, you can just put the lid on, but I'm not using a lid, so I'm just using a cardboard base, so I have to glue it on. Or you could glue it on if you have a lid too, just to make it like sturdier. So this is what I've got. And now for my favorite part, decorating. Is decorating your favorite part too? Tell me in the comment section below. So now, decorating. Okay, so this is the final result of the room decor. This also works for making snow globes or glitter globes by adding in water and putting glitter in it. So you can do that if you want. And please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!